The rain has stopped, but cloudy skies continue. The temperature rose in the middle of the day today, but the wind was strong, so it felt a little chilly. In particular, temperatures will drop after the sun goes down due to daily temperature differences. Tomorrow it will be warmer than today, as the daytime temperature in Seoul will rise to 17 degrees Celsius with a lot of clouds. However, the day after tomorrow on Thursday, it will rain again across the country. While a strong wind warning has been issued on east coast areas of Gyeongsang-do provinces and Jeju Island, the waves will be high until tomorrow. Special attention should be paid to safety accidents, such as by refraining from approaching the coast. A chilly morning will still be seen tomorrow. Daejeon and Daegu 4 degrees, Gyeongju and Chuncheon 0 degrees. You'll be able to feel the spring energy during the daytime tomorrow. Highs will move up to 18 in Daejeon, Gwangju, and Gyeongju. The sky is expected to be clear with spring weather from the second half of the week. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.